Well, hello there, guys.
Le tiro una papita aquí. Carlos.
Throw it. Oh, don't mind if I do. I love French fries. Mmm. Oh, so delicious. You guys have any more? You guys have any more French fries? I would like another French fry. Please? Somebody give me a French fry. Anybody?
He did.
Oh, I would love a French fry. Oh, what is that, a kid's meal? Oh, I love kids' meal. I'm a kid, you know. I'm 48, but I'm still as tall as a kid. Oh, Nathan, you mind giving me a French fry? Please? Oh, you guys are so kind. Thank you. Oh, it's so good. Oh my goodness, I almost choked on that one. How about them apples? So, how about them apples? Oh, that apple looks pretty good there, son.
I can give him one.
You got some apples there to spare? Give him one.
You give him one.
Okay. Oh, sweet, good old apples.
He doesn't like
You know what? These apples are a little too hard for me. I don't eat apples. I thought I'd eat apples, but I really don't eat apples. So, French fries. Oh, yeah, I love French fries. French fries be the best.
Yes. He was a loop.
What do you say?
Her tongue was going up and down, up and down, up and down.
Oh yeah, that's how I chew my food. I got teeth in my throat. Oh! Is that the police? Better get out of here. Excuse me, ma'am. Does anybody have any French fries they could spare?
Oh no! I do.
Oh, I love French fries. I love French fries. I love French fries. Oh, that's not a French fry. That's a leaf, but it tasted pretty good anyways.
What are those things?
Oh, here comes all the squirrels. Squirrel time.
What are those called?
What? That's called a crane.
Oh, no. Do they bite people?
They only eat eyeballs. So be careful. They eat eyeballs. 100% eyeballs.
Is that a black bird?
What is this? Look at this. There's a bug on me, look.
Huh?
Look at that bug. It's like a spider or something.
Is that a black bird?
That is the black bird.
Look at a tiny one.
Where? Oh, little baby cranes. Mami, we can't do this. We can't feed them anymore. We're surrounded by birds. No more feeding.